So what brand do I ride? This is what I ride. Hi guys, welcome, it's carboorides. It's the 1st of January 2024. We are in my garage. This video series is about my journey with my Lowrider S. How I got from this to this. It starts today and it goes back like 3 years. I bought my ride in the end of November 2019, I think. My ride is covered because it's winter. So join me on this journey and let's have some fun. All right, carboorides out. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and live with passion.